Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable accessibility shortcuts on this device. So accessibility shortcuts is when you triple press power button and you can access accessibility shortcuts, some different actions which you can customize by going to the settings, then go to the accessibility section, then to the accessibility shortcuts. And here you can select different shortcuts, for example, classic invert, assistive touch, like left-right balance, increase contrast. And as you can see right now, when I triple tap this power key, I can access this menu and use these quick features like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.